Jenny's garden plan. Tomorrow, Jenny will start her garden project. She will not forget her boots because the ground is muddy. She will look for the best spot in the backyard to plant flowers and vegetables. I will mow the lawn first, Jenny says. Then, I will clean the area near the fence. Jenny's dad will help her. He will cut down the old bush next to the shed. That spot will be perfect for your new plants, he tells her. Jenny will prepare the soil carefully. She will not use dirty tools. She will spray poison to kill the bugs. Will you plant tomatoes? Her mom asks. Yes, and I will plant carrots and lettuce too. My own vegetable garden will grow here, Jenny answers. She will place a small sign, Jenny's garden. Jenny will plant the seeds, cover them with soil, and water them every day. She knows the stems will grow slowly, and she will keep looking for changes. Jenny will not forget to take care of the garden. It will be fun to watch everything grow, she says. Next month, her garden will be full of vegetables, flowers, and green stems. Jenny will be proud of her work.
Like and subscribe to the channel.